Hello guys again, we are going to try this vacuum cleaner. This is from Parkside, the model PNTS 1300T3. Well, it's working. Very good. Here it is, a glass of water. I'm spilling out. Oh, how much mess is that? Oh my god. Connecting. Powering. Let's see. Now it's sucking the water. There you see. Sucking very well the water, no problem. Go see how it goes. Let's go again. Oh, not so good with that. Oh, that's good. And I want you to see from closer. Okay, nice job. Now I'm going to try. Okay, this. Oh, let's try the shucking. It's sucking very good. And let's put the other. Oh, and you hear the sound. Nice and clean floor. Yes, he's doing the job. We're making a very good job here. But let's see what we have inside in the vacuum cleaner. How it is. Okay. And here's the water and everything else what we have in the floor. And here is very secure. It's dry, not so wet, doesn't compromise the motor. Very good job. Let's close again. We are going to fill a glass of water and try it how it will suck it. And here we got the glass of water. Oh my god. Okay, let's try it again. It's gone. Let's see what we have inside. Too much water. Okay, too much water. And this is definitely wet. It's very wet. But it's okay, it doesn't have any problems. It's working. Well guys, that was my testing of this vacuum cleaner model Parkside PNTS 1300D3. Hope you like this review, and I hope this review makes your opinion stronger to go and buy this vacuum. It's a very good vacuum. I like it. I keep it. Thumbs up for Lidl and for Parkside. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos are coming in the future. Don't miss it. Hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.